Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you this delicious and tasty starter for your loved ones and family members this Xmas season. Stick around and watch this video till the end as I introduce you to all the ingredients that we are going to be using for this delicious popcorn chicken. Guys, it's so delicious and tasty. I'm suggesting this for you to serve your guests and your loved ones this Xmas season before the main meal. So here you are going to cut the chicken breast into smaller pieces like so, and you are going to go ahead to add in all the spices we have earlier introduced to you in smaller quantities. Next, you are going to add in the yogurt and fried onion, and you are going to use your hands to thoroughly massage that so that everything can easily be absorbed into the chicken breast. Mind you, you don't need any water to come in at this point. That is why you have to use the onion flakes. It is expected that you crush the cornflakes into smaller particles. So here I'm using the food processor to achieve that. You can as well pour it into a nylon bag and use your hands to crush it. So this is the outcome of it. This is what you should look out for. Now you are going to use all the spices that were used to spice the chicken breast to mix with the corn flour. Mix it thoroughly and set it aside for later use. Pour in the flour into the chicken breast and mix up thoroughly, making sure that the flour gets to every part of the chicken. You can as well add in the flour in batches so that it can easily get into every part of the chicken. Guys, what I'm using for this recipe is corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can as well use the all-purpose flour for this recipe. But to me, I would prefer the corn flour because it adds more crunchiness. So if you can lay hands on corn flour, it will serve better. Now you are going to dip the chicken breast into the cornflakes like so. You are going to do that repeatedly until it goes around all the chicken breast. Please make sure it is well coated. Now we are done, guys. Look at that beauty, look at that crunchiness already showing. So it is now time to start frying. heat up some oil in a deep frying pan. A deep frying pan is preferable for this. And please do not allow your oil to be overheated so that your chicken does not start burning on the outside before it gets cooked inside. So you are going to gently drop that into the oil one after the other like so. Watch out for that golden brown color. Once that is achieved, take it out of the oil. Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Look at that crunchiness. Your family members and your loved ones will love you this Xmas season when you serve them this. So please do not miss out on this. Make sure to try this out. I'm sure they are going to like it so much. It is so delicious and tasty. Now guys, we are going to be making a thirsty syrup for this chicken. To do this, we are going to be needing a glass of fresh juice. No sugar, no water added. So preferably you have to juice a whole pineapple to get that juice out. What I've just added is fried onion and followed with chili sauce. So you are going to stir that up together and continue cooking on the heat, on low heat, until you achieve this thick consistency. You know, once it is thick like this, then you know your syrup is ready. Then turn off the heat. After turning off the heat, then you can now add in your honey and mix all together. The heat will cook up the honey, and finally guys, pour in the chicken into a bowl and add in the syrup and mix everything up together. And guys, this is what we have. I really want you to try this recipe and see for yourself. Once again, thank you guys for watching today's video. That is all we have for you today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, and guys, please like and share this video with friends and family. I'm hoping to see more of you again in my next video, because in this season I'm going to be sharing with you lots and lots of recipe that you can make for your loved ones and make them happy this season. See you again everyone, and bye.